running out here, enjoying this beautiful winter. I'm gonna get back to delivering parcels. I'm Santa Claus right now. I gotta get these packages delivered.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Nice, Mr. Grinch having fun with his mail spot today. Some lights now. Another lunch break here with little hands. My little niece, she made this. It was Christmas Eve. Some goodies. Jimmy John's. Hey, what's up, my decos, my deconstructing people? We back, we at the spot. This is my spot right here. I'm making it my spot, like I'm sort of making it home. Oh, I forgot to take the labels off of my package here, so I won't show you that side. I'm opening up some of the Resin 450s. The Yeezy 450s are not super popular right now, but it's a shoe that I just loved when I saw it. And I love resin, so I had to get the resin colorway of the 450s. So I'm just taking off this tamper evidence tape. Do not open with a sharp object. Yeah, sharp instrument. Anyways, good times. I don't have my knife. I put it in a box somewhere. I need to find it, but I don't have any time because I'm, working at the post office like crazy. Definitely make sure and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm a mailman. I deliver your post, letters, packages, all the fun stuff that we get, like these things, except for this came from FedEx. So, I do deliver a lot of other stuff, so I just want to show you guys different dope items I get in. Everything that I, show on this channel obviously is purchased by me from the manufacturers who, are licensed to produce it and everything, unless I get it from a resale site, and then, hopefully that person is not telling me a fake item, which, happens. But anyways, these are straight from Adidas, from the Confirmed app. I went and got a size 11 just because I've been wearing 11 lately. I don't know, it just kind of feels more comfy, more roomy. I was always like super tight with 10 and a half. And I don't know, some shoes are just too tight. So I do have my dark slate video already. So anybody interested in these ones, I got those in the last drop or the first drop they had or whatever. Yeah, they just have like this brown spot on the back, and the rest of the shoe is like basically dark gray or pretty much black. But if you wear black with them, you can kind of tell. I'm just wearing brown today, or even like this is gray, so you can't even tell really. But yeah, they're definitely an amazing design. I love the design. I love the way they feel on your foot, just hugging it really nicely. Those, again, I got in a 10 and a half. These ones in an 11. Here's the label. Yeah. It's got your info. Could have come in a smaller box, but that's all right. We're gonna get into these. Made in Germany. Hey, look at that. So, I may have some German in my history. I don't know. I'm like a total mutt. I have some Irish apparently. I have like Native American. I have French probably. I don't know. But I do have some German because I know my grandma was like a percentage German at least. But anyways, yeah, made in Germany. I feel most at home in the United States. So, because I'm just a mutt. But yeah, this color, I mean, yeah, kind of looks like it could be resin. I mean, it more looks like just like crumble in a way, but the color of crumble. But yeah, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, that's cool. These resin Yeezys are just made for wearing, not made for what other resins are made for. And resin is used for so many things, like glue and things like that. Anyways, it's really cool how the lace structure is set up on these, how they just kind of like the eyelets are all part of the knit and they're knit around, and then the laces just go through there really nicely. I like how that looks. It's very similar to like the new sock style shoes that Kanye's been producing. Here's our little tags on here. Anybody wants to see those tags that come on the pair? Straight from Adidas confirmed. And yeah, look at that green. It kind of turns into a different green on the bottom. You can see here that it's basically like more icy and more of a painted over one on the sides here. I want to actually look on the label itself in here. I want to see on that thing if it does say made in Germany. And it does. Yep. You guys can see that up at the top. Yeah. That's pretty cool that these were actually made in Germany. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna toss one of them on my feet just because I want to see basically if they feel like they are gonna need to be smaller, or if I'm cool. Always forget about this wall. They're a little bit different. I keep forgetting about this wall. Can you guys see them even with the fit? Yeah. So, some Calabasas socks. Oh, Sock.Jig makes socks that have this similar styling. Sock.Jig is one of my Twitter friends, and I just got some socks from my very first pair from Sock.Jig, so that'll be cool. We'll look at those next. Yeah, you guys can't really see that well, but kind of. It's like, this is the craziest spot for me to try and make a little studio, but I deal with what I have, you know, and in the future, maybe I'll have a cooler spot, a better spot. I am transferring to Hawaii with my job, so it's a long process to get over there. So I'm just waiting for some approvals and whatnot. I was thinking I would get an 11 in these 450s just because the 10.5 seemed like, I don't know, it was a little bit tight on my toes, but I probably should have just gone with the 10.5. I think these ones are also tight, and that's just how the design is. Like, this foam is really like grabbing the knit, and so it really like suctions in, and so you kind of feel that when your foot is in there. And then as you wear them, I'm sure they break in really well, and they'll be perfect for your foot, and they'll just slide in and off and everything. You really don't even need the laces on these, maybe just for more security. And obviously for looks, I think they probably look better with the laces on them. I'm just thinking with the way this knit is under here, I'm not even gonna attempt to take the laces off right now. And plus to get them back on, who knows what kind of a task that's gonna be. But yeah, I think I will probably send these ones back to Adidas for sizing issue, just because probably should go with the 10.5. But I do really, really love the color. I gotta be really light with my packing. So, gotta make sure that I only have as much stuff as I can fit in my new place in Hawaii. It's gonna be tiny. So, one pair of 450s is what it is. If these were gonna fit like perfectly or something, I think that I probably would have kept them. Alas, the 10.5s are a little bit better for me. Yeah, they're just kind of tight when you first put them on around the toe, so I would say these are true to size. I mean, I wouldn't size down unless you really have a way to try them on, which is not normally an option for a lot of these new Yeezy models. So yeah, everything about this shoe is just really, really dope. I really enjoy it. I think it was a great idea, and I'm glad they actually went through with it and built that on the side. I was hyped when I first saw pictures like years ago, I feel like. And the insole does come out. Got some different coloring on the bottom, some different patterns and whatnot on that, and then ortholite. And wow, hey, look at that. The Germany people, they got some number, some Sharpie written in there. That's kind of crazy. It says 10.5 or something, or 10/, which normally means 10.5. if you're not putting the numbers, but this is supposed to be an 11. Yeah, it is an 11. Oh, it's Germany, so it's UK sizing. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about the 450s, if you think they're dope. If you think they're totally crazy looking and you would never wear them, or what the deal is. Also, I just want to say happy holidays to everybody out there. It's the holiday season. And thanks so much for watching this review, watching this vlog, my life. I know as time goes on, it's just going to be more and more exciting. These videos are just going to be more and more packed with amazing content. So if you watch this far, you better be subscribing, hitting that like button, and I'll see you again in the next video, right? Oh, still trying to get this closed up. There we go. Got it. Yeah. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.
About to have a party in the hood. Ain't work, but it's snack on trying to get a meal. Ever since it changed my life, I'ma walk that walk, boy, trying to get it right. Trying to do right now. If it's working.